Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rachel. I know it's been a hot minute, but I'm back. Today I am unboxing Boxycharm. Alright, so I did take a sneak peek, that way I could do everything else. But yeah, we're gonna just jump right into it. So this box's theme is Gold Digger. First, when they announced that this said Gold Digger, and I'm like, okay. Looks like the first thing on the list is Cover FX glitter drops, and it's in a special shade called Nova. So let's take a look. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's a nice gold. Let me swatch on the back of my hand. It's definitely glittery. Don't know if I'm gonna like that on my face. Can't really see it. You can kind of see it like right in here. Okay. Well, how do I want to do this? I'm gonna just dab it on my beauty blender. Dab a little bit and apply it to the cheekbones. Let's take a look. I don't have a mirror. Hold on. Okay, now that I have a mirror, let's check this out. Oh god. I don't like this at all. It just like ruined my makeup. I don't know if you really can tell. Oh boy. Let's just smear it up, I guess. It just looks like gold chunky glitter on my face. Oh, I don't like that. Let me try using my finger and just applying it directly, blending it out that way. Okay, yeah, it's definitely what you need to do. Don't put it on the beauty blender, just blend it out right with your fingers. Because this side, there's no going back. Okay. Yeah, I don't like it. It's very glittery. I mean, it does say glitter drops. It might be cool as a topper, like on eyeshadow, which we do, I believe, have a palette. So maybe I'll do something with that. But on the actual cheeks, I think I'm going to pass. All right. Next up, yes, so there is a palette by Ace Butte. Not sure how that's being done. Let's get it out of the box if I can. There it goes. Ooh. Those are pretty. Let me swatch them for you guys. Okay, here are the swatches. They are actually pretty pigmented and they felt really buttery. So let's put these on the eyes, and the next thing up is a brush set from Luxie. I really enjoy the brushes. I like that we get them quite frequently. I can't seem to open anything today. Alrighty. Yeah. Got two of them out. Oh my goodness. Come out. Oh my god. Alright. 5 minutes later, I finally got them out. This is what they look like. Very glittery, like handles here. These are more, I would say, for detailing work because they're all pretty small. I did bring like a big blending brush and a shader brush, but we're going to use them. So I think the first one I'm going to use is this one here. This is just as a mini tape, Luxie 121. It's a mini tapered brush. And first shade I'm going to go in with is Patchouli right here. Downside is it doesn't have a mirror, but that's alright. Okay, I didn't think this color was going to do much, but I figured I'd try it. No. I'm going to go right in with cinnamon. It's a deeper color here. Let's see how that works. And I'm using light pressure. It's a nice shade, but I do need a bigger brush to blend this out with, so I'm just grabbing this BH Cosmetics No. 5 brush. Easy to blend. It's not patchy or anything. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm gonna take Poppy, and I'm gonna use this 131, a mini angled brush, and I'm gonna put it on my outer corner and sweep it slightly into my crease. I like that these are buildable. It's not like bam, pigment right away. Makes them very user friendly. But in the pan, I thought it was going to be more of a cranberry shade, and it's more like a pink, like a almost fuchsia pink. But that's okay. Just take that other brush. Nope. Okay, and then there is no really like shader brush. I brought one. It's my BH Cosmetics one, number 10 out of the Marble collection. And I'm going to go in with Primrose right here, this gold shade. And I'm going in with a dry brush. This seems to pick up a good amount of pigment. And check it out. Oh wow, yeah. You would definitely get more intense with spraying it. I may actually go on my finger. I want to see if that will really do it. Oh yeah. So these can use dry, which is nice. Because like my spray is upstairs and I don't feel like running and get it. So. Pretty. Alright, I'm going to do my other eye real quick and then we'll move on. Okay, now that both eyes are done, the next product is a liner by Jante Blue. It's a glittery star liner. We've gotten this brand before and I'm not crazy over it, but let's take a look. Great. More plastic. See if I can get it off. Looks like my tip broke a little bit and that could have been my doing. Let's just clink that off. Okay, so it's a black with gold speckles in it. I'm gonna use it on the top just for the next product because I got lashes. All right. I can tell you don't like this pencil already. It skips. I don't like this. And because of the glitters, it's kind of scratchy. You can definitely see the gold flakes in it, but I don't like that it skips and it almost like irritates your eyes because of the glitters in it. It kind of is chunky. Alright, let me apply mascara and then show you the lashes. Okay. Now that our eyes are prepped, the last thing I got are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in Insta Glam. So they look like this. They're pretty. Let's see how they work. They have a medium-sized band, which isn't bad. Okay, so as the glue dries for these, let me tell you the pricing and everything since I didn't do that. So the drops market value is $44. The brush set market value is $21. The eyeshadow palette market value is $25. Well, sorry, $24.99. And the lashes are $14.99. And where's that stupid liner? This liner is worth $5. So overall, let's see, 68, 99, 104. I want to say 108, about close to 120 bucks for this month's box, which is pretty nuts. All right. This should be tacky enough. I should be able to pop these suckers on. Oh, these are actually really pretty. I did not think I was going to like these. Because usually bands like this, like styles, don't typically look good on me. I just don't have... Glue's not too tacky enough. Yeah, I don't like that liner. Like, not really like black. It's like a gray black. But... While that dries, I'm going to just put a little shadow underneath my waterline and put mascara. I'm going to go in with the Luxie 111, the mini flat angled. Oh, I can kind of see it's a little angled. I'm just mixing those first two matte shades we used and just placing them in the underneath. And just a little bit of mascara. All right. Just add a lip to this. I'm going to go in with Dusty Colors Truffle. All right. This completes the finished look. Final thoughts. Okay. I'm I'm actually really surprised. These lashes are really comfortable. They're lightweight, and I actually like the like pattern, like design of them. They are actually pretty like wispy. Then the Ace Beauté Grandiose palette, I really like. I like the color scheme. Oh, I just stuck my freaking finger into it, damn it. They're pigmented, they are easy to blend, and I like the color scheme to them. I think it's great. The brushes, I'm on the fence with. I mean, they're going to be great for detail work, but like if you're just trying to do it every day, like these are kind of densely packed where you want to just blow something out. You want something big like this, and there's really not a shader brush or anything, so then you still have to go in with another brush. But for like the set, it's okay. Then this stupid, I don't like this pencil at all. Honestly, I'm probably going to throw it away. It wasn't like black, like I said, it's like gray black, and it skipped, and it like just was very irritating because of the glitter particles in it. Don't like it. And this, oh, let me try I'm going to just put a dab on the back of my hand and dab it on. See, it looks cool on the eyes. It actually gives a cool effect. It has a unique undertone. I'm going right over that liner, I don't even care. Has definitely a unique undertone to it. It almost has like a green undertone. It's like a goldish green. Sorry, I forgot my camera stops recording after 20 minutes. What I was saying was, this has like a green almost undertone to it. It's very unique. Like I said, it's kind of cool on the eyes, but I do not like it on the face. I feel like I just have glitter all over. I'm not a fan. So overall, I think the box is pretty, it's okay. Like I said, these two items like right here are bomb. Besides that, I feel like I've had better boxes. Just because like I said, these brushes are that liner was terrible, and the glitter drops are just okay. I mean, the price of them, 43 bucks for those drops, to me seems a little excessive, but it's not bad. Alright, so if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.